Murda, the winter crystal ball is tonight, and I have nothing special to wear. My old dress has lost all of its magic.
Don't be sad, Elsa. I am the Princess of Colors, remember? I am going to draw the shiniest, most beautiful dress in all of Arendelle for you right now.
Really? Can you do that, Murda?
Of course, but I need help from all the girls watching us. Girls, can you help me bring the magic back to Elsa?
Enchanted castle where the magic...
Drawing.
Yay!
First, let's draw some beautiful ice crystals. Look how pretty they look.
Wow! They look like real diamonds.
This giant diamond right in the middle is perfect. Hey!
That is absolutely beautiful. Wow! Murda, that looks amazing.
Wait until you see the colors, Elsa.
Is that a diamond necklace? I love it.
Coloring.
Yay!
Blue.
Yay!
White.
Yay!
Look, Elsa. It's time for the magic sparkles.
Oh, it's glowing. It's so shiny.
Now for the main dress. It's going to have big, beautiful layers, just like frozen flower petals.
It looks so pretty. But Murda, will it glow in the dark?
Just wait and see. Elsa,
Can you make it shiny? Like real ice?
yes, let's draw a beautiful princess dress for you. You will love it so much.
Thank you, Murda. You're genial.
Elsa, you are very special and need a beautiful dress every day.
Wow! Murda, that looks amazing.
Really, Elsa? Wait until you see the colors. Elsa. Coloring.
Yay!
Blue.
Yay! Is that an ice dress? I love it.
Your dress is so beautiful, Elsa.
I am so happy.
Princess Design Academy is the perfect place for princess dress drawings.
Your drawings are always so magical. Murda!
See how I add the blue color and the glitter here? This is how your new dress will look. Glitter.
Wow! Watching you draw my dress is my favorite part of the day!
Of course, Elsa. Look closely at the screen while I color your princess dress. Look, Elsa, it's time for the magic sparkles.
Ooh, it's glowing! It's so shiny!
Ta-da! Your new magical dress is ready.
Oh my goodness! I look like a real ice queen now!
You look beautiful, Elsa. Have fun at the party.
Thank you, Murda, and thank you. Girls!
Don't go away, girls. We have so many other magical videos for you to watch on our channel. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.